The answer on this one is in fact false. Okay. It's not just required when it's out of tolerance. It is required anytime it's inaccurate. So there's a tolerance thing that's associated with timing with revising the closing disclosure. But rule number one, top of page 216, and this is why we need to get this one right out of the gate. This is a foundation item. So anytime you prepare the closing disclosure and something ends up being off, and I'm going to even go by a penny, you have to give a new version of it. There's no tolerance there. The tolerance is zero. If it's off, and you have to redisclose. So that's why the answer is false.